Hello, good morning all. Today we have to learn about how to do online assessment of student PDF. So I want to share first my screen. So here there are JSPM official email ID. You have to open it first. Then I want to open this first. So there are number of students submitted their PDF of assignment on my email ID, official email ID of JSPM. Then I want to access this all PDF file on online platform. Okay, so first I have to go towards setting or the Google Drive of this one. Then this minute. Google Drive. Then here this is the total drive. Means my drive is to be open now. Then go to the setting. Here the setting are to be open. Then manage apps. Then connect more apps we have to do. Then there are number of apps are there to means for different work uh, is to be provided in this platform. So I want to select this Doc Hub. So first install it on your PC. Continue. Then you have to select your email ID, which is same email ID is there. Then you have to allow it. So it is to be message to be given, that is Doc Hub PDF sign and edit was connected to Google Drive. So I want to make OK here, and here is done. Okay, so your installation is completed now, and it is close out. Then I want to select the PDF, that is go to the Gmail, my email ID, any one PDF of student. Suppose the Anjali husband is the student of TEP, roll number 13, assignment is to be submitted. So I want to select it and connect it to the add to the drive option is there. So add this PDF to the drive. Organize. So if you have to do create new folder, so like this, I'm creating new PDF folder here, VC Patil or VCP only. Then make correct and move here. Then again go towards the drive, my drive. So it is to be here. PDF to PDF Anjali husband PDF is to be observed here. Then open it now, this PDF into the Doc Hub app. So again they are asking for the same. So select the email ID. then allow it. So document means this is to be platform of our app Doc Hub, and here the PDF means PDF is to be observed like this. If you have to make the number of pages, or we have to check out the number of pages, so here this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. There are 7 pages PDF is there, so you have to check it out. It is the first page. Okay, on each page she given a number also. So it is to be means now this is the totally analytical subject is there. Okay, so not to worry about that, but I want to show only what type of how to do the assessment here. So we have to select the uh, means we require only the wrong button, means this cross sign and this correct sign. So you have to select this correct sign. So color for this one, there are different colors are there, so you have to select this color. So as it is, there's a red color we are selecting for checking. So it will save. So here, if this page is to be we have to access, so you have to do the correct sign, and like this you have to increase the first page is to be completed now. Correction, if you have to multiple, you have to do the multiple tick marks. So here again you have to increase size like this, you have to increase the size. If you have to go in next page like this, so you have to correct it like this. See, it is very easy. Okay, and you have to correct it like this. So after that you have to move towards the third page. So this is to be correction, means we are correcting this image. Or if you have to do if the answer is to be wrong, then you have to select this cross sign and you have to put it here if the answer is wrong. Okay, so like this, if you have to change this cross sign cursor, so you have to select the regular cursor here, and this is to be regular cursor coming into picture. Then at the last, when you are going to the last page, okay, you have to give the marks, and you have to give here the signature. Then go to the sign, means here for the sign. Okay, and I already uploaded the sign. So if you have to upload the sign, you have to go towards the create your sign and upload your image of the sign by choosing the file. So I'm selected the my sign here from my PC. Okay, already it is to be submitted here. So here is my sign. I want to put my sign here and increase the size of this. And you have to select, means if you have to change the position, you have to change like this. Now you have to put it the date, means today's date is 13, so I want to put here 13 date like this. Okay, and suppose I want to change the means I want to make the bold. Okay, so it is also the option is available here. If you have to take the center or at the left hand side or right hand side like this, you have to provide the sign. And if you have to change, you have to move on that, it is to be easy to understand you. Okay, so like this task is to be completed. Now again I want to give my name. So see here, I am putting my name here, and this is to be increased if I increase this one. Okay, so like this. my checking is to be completed means on the last page I'm putting my sign, date, and my name, and then I want to give the marks. Again, so if I want to give the marks, so move here into the left hand side, means this icon to the toolbar. Then if you have to write to text field, okay, so collect the small one. So in that one you are giving the marks here. Suppose I want to start from left, so I want to select here. So here you should select, suppose I am giving the marks of 8 out of 10. Okay, so it is to be easy to understand you. If I want to increase the size, so it is to be also possible, and move it into the nearby area of this particular, and go to the cursor sign, and it's to be over 8 out of 10 marks. And if you have to give some suggestions on that, so select the paragraph, means here at the left hand side paragraph field, and you have to write down your suggestions like this. Okay, so I want to suggest here correct the correct uh, minute, take the answer. Okay, like this, I'm giving the suggestion, and and resubmit. Resubmit it like this. I want to the some remark after the completion of this, and give the cursor point. Okay, and suppose means this is to be right, means this is to be correct, means whatever the wrong answers are there, she will be corrected now, and resubmission will be required for this. So this is the last page, and this task is to be over now. And on the middle page, means at the first middle page also I am giving one tick mark sign like this, so it is to be completely assessed. So like this. Okay, so at the last page, 7th page, I am observing this sign. This is the corrected PDF. Now I want to share this PDF, means send this PDF to the respective student. So share this attachment, email attachment there. Okay, so go to the email attachment, put the student email ID here, and send it via no reply at dochub.com. Okay, so your PDF means assessed PDF is to be forwarded towards the student email ID, and this is to be attachment is to be provided here. See here, it is to be attachment is to be provided to you. Okay, so like this you have to do the assignment assessment. Okay, it is to be very easy. And if you have to store it, store this assignment, so this checked assignment, so you have to download directly. Okay, so on the computer you are downloading, so download this one. So here we have to wait overall assignment will be downloaded. Okay, like this, it's showing folder I'm making, and this is the assignment. Okay, I'm opening this assignment again, and you are observing that this assignment is totally downloaded here. means it is to be assessed assignment is there. So see, all the assessment tick marks are there in that one, wrong, correct answers. Okay, and at the last, if you have to write on this one, means the sign, date, and the marks, and your suggestions are to be given at the last. So I think it is to be understandable to all. And if you have to do the online assessment, so please refer the video and you have to do your task. Okay, thank you.